it's been great, and everybody around us has been so supportive and like really getting into the shoot. All the crowd is like actually cheering us, and they're actually moving
they're
away.
clapping, and they're clapping, and they're dancing
clapping. They're
with
giving us
us.
a great energetic feel, so it's nice.
Well, this is the story of this guy who's come from India. That's played by me. The name of the character is Adi, and he comes here on a scholarship to pursue his further studies. And he's caught in a dilemma whether to go back or whether to stay back in London. And he finds Tarini, played by Tanisha, and yeah, he falls for her.
I would say it's a really nice slice of life film, which basically takes you the journey of two people and how they basically come of age, and they realize that, you know what, sometimes everything you want is not what you get, and sometimes what you get is
what you
what
want.
is good for you. It's nuts.
It's crazy. This is what this character is imagining, basically. He's fallen for Tarini, that's the name of her character. And so, yeah, he's imagining, and he's trying to propose her through this song. So,
And
well,
he's basically picturing her in her traditional
traditional
dress.
Yeah, yeah.
Because he's such an
why
Indian
you
man
you could
who's
see
so
in the
like,
background,
you know,
there
traditional. So
It couldn't be bigger than this. You see, Akshay backing this film is a great thing. Is a great thing.
I think I really respect Akshay Kumar for taking a chance on regional cinema.
Right.
There are very few actors that are willing to take this risk, and I think hats off to him for taking a lot of risks in his production house, especially with this film. It makes us feel enthusiastic, and it makes us feel very happy that, you know, our film might get a good appreciation when it travels out of the country. That's what it is, you know, because we believe that India is just such a mix of cultures, and they're all over the world. So I guess it really makes us feel
And
good.
the subject is universal. You see.
Yeah.
It could appeal to a
Exactly.
Punjabi, Marathi, or any person, or an American, or an Italian, anybody.
The secret to our success is that we deal with human emotions, and we deal with humans. You know, all our stories are about family and people,
values,
and you can never let, you know, that never changes. People are the same everywhere around the world. The values, the family, the sense of music, fun, excitement, it's uplifting, the cinema. And that doesn't change. You want to watch it anywhere.